Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to retweet a tweet on the twitter.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device, and after that select a profile and then select a tweet that you would like to retweet. After that you should tap on this retweet button down below next to the chat box and the heart icon, so tap on it and click on the retweet button. So if you go to your profile, you will be able to see that you have retweeted this post. If you want to undo this, tap on the retweet button again and click on undo retweet, and it will be disappeared from your profile, or it will disappear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.